Iconic brands don't win by chance. They win through positioning. True brand positioning is about claiming a space your competitors can't even see and defending it with clarity, confidence, and consistency. It's not a tagline. It's strategy dressed as storytelling. The best brands start by knowing who they serve, where they stand, and what makes them unforgettable. They find the emotional trigger that builds trust and the value proposition that drives loyalty. Templates and frameworks aren't shortcuts. They're structure for sharper execution. When your brand message, design, and experience align, you stop competing on noise and start owning your niche. Because great positioning outlives trends. It builds legacy. So if your brand feels scattered or forgettable, it's time to define your difference. Don't just take up space, own it. Start positioning like you mean it, and build a brand that leads the market.